Deep beneath the border between France and Switzerland, there exists one of the most complex machines ever built by humanity. It does not rise into the sky like a tower or stretch across oceans like a bridge. Instead, it is hidden underground, forming a vast circular tunnel that spans nearly 27 kilometers. This is the Large Hadron Collider, often called the LHC. At first glance, it may not seem obvious what this machine is meant to do. There are no passengers, no cargo, and no visible output. Yet inside this tunnel, particles are accelerated to speeds close to the speed of light. They are guided with extreme precision and then brought into controlled collisions. These collisions are not random. They are carefully designed to recreate conditions that existed just moments after the beginning of the universe. The purpose of the Large Hadron Collider is not transportation or energy production. Its purpose is understanding. For decades, physicists have tried to answer fundamental questions about reality. What is matter made of? What forces govern the universe? And how did everything begin? Earlier experiments provided partial answers. Scientists developed a framework known as the Standard Model of Particle Physics. This model describes the basic particles and forces that make up the universe. But it is not complete. It does not explain gravity at the quantum level. It does not account for dark matter. And it leaves many open questions. The Large Hadron Collider was built to explore these gaps. By observing what happens when particles collide at extremely high energies, scientists can study the smallest known structures of matter and test their theories under extreme conditions. The Large Hadron Collider is operated by CERN. This organization was established in the mid-20th century to promote scientific collaboration across nations. Today, it brings together thousands of scientists, engineers, and researchers from around the world. No single country built the LHC alone. It is the result of international cooperation on a massive scale. Components were designed and manufactured in different regions. They were then assembled with precision to form a unified system. The project required decades of planning, development, and testing. And even now, it continues to evolve as new upgrades and experiments are introduced. At the heart of the Large Hadron Collider is a simple idea. Take very small particles, increase their energy, and observe what happens when they collide. The particles used are typically protons. These are components of atoms found in everyday matter. Inside the accelerator, protons are injected into the circular tunnel and guided by powerful magnetic fields. As they travel around the ring, they are accelerated in stages. Each pass increases their energy until they reach velocities extremely close to the speed of light. At these speeds, even tiny particles carry enormous energy. This energy is what makes the collisions scientifically valuable. Keeping particles on a circular path requires precision. The Large Hadron Collider uses thousands of superconducting magnets to guide the beams. These magnets are among the most powerful ever constructed. They create magnetic fields that bend the path of the protons, keeping them within the tunnel. To function properly, these magnets must be cooled to extremely low temperatures. In fact, they operate at temperatures colder than outer space. This is achieved using liquid helium, which allows the materials to become superconducting. In this state, electrical resistance is nearly eliminated, making it possible to generate strong magnetic fields efficiently. Without this system, the particles would not remain stable within the accelerator. The most important moment in the Large Hadron Collider occurs when two particle beams intersect. These beams travel in opposite directions around the ring. At specific points, they are brought together and made to collide. When this happens, the energy of the motion is converted into new forms of matter. This follows a principle described by Albert Einstein. According to his work, energy and matter are interchangeable. In these collisions, new particles can briefly appear before quickly decaying. By studying these short-lived particles, scientists gain insight into the fundamental structure of the universe. The particles created in collisions cannot be seen directly. Instead, they are detected using large instruments placed at collision points. Some of the most important include ATLAS experiment and CMS experiment. These detectors are massive structures built around the collision areas. They track the paths of particles, measure their energy, and record their interactions. Each collision produces a large amount of data. This data is analyzed using advanced computing systems. Patterns are identified, and rare events are studied in detail. Through this process, scientists can reconstruct what happened during each collision, even though the particles themselves exist for only fractions of a second. One of the most significant discoveries associated with the Large Hadron Collider is the detection of the Higgs boson. This particle was predicted decades earlier, but had never been observed. Its existence is linked to a field that gives mass to other particles. Without this mechanism, matter as we know it would not exist. In 2012, scientists confirmed evidence of the Higgs boson through experiments at the LHC. This discovery was a major milestone in physics. It provided support for the Standard Model and answered a long-standing question about how particles acquire mass. Beyond individual discoveries, the Large Hadron Collider has expanded our understanding of high-energy physics. It allows researchers to test theories under conditions that cannot be recreated elsewhere. Experiments have explored the behavior of quarks, gluons, and other fundamental particles. They have also studied rare interactions that occur under extreme energy levels. Each result adds new information to our understanding of the universe. Some findings confirm existing theories. Others raise new questions that require further investigation. Science does not move forward through a single discovery. It progresses through continuous testing, refinement, and observation. The LHC plays a central role in this process. The impact of the Large Hadron Collider extends beyond physics. The technologies developed for this project have influenced other fields. Advances in computing, data processing, and materials science have emerged from the needs of the collider. The handling of large data sets has contributed to improvements in distributed computing systems. Medical imaging technologies have also benefited from research related to particle detection. Even the development of the World Wide Web has roots in work carried out at CERN, where scientists needed efficient ways to share information. This shows that fundamental research can lead to practical innovations, even when those applications are not the original goal. Despite its capabilities, the Large Hadron Collider does not answer every question. There are still mysteries that remain unresolved. Dark matter, dark energy, and the unification of forces are areas of ongoing research. The LHC provides tools to investigate these topics, but results are not always immediate. Some experiments require years of data collection and analysis. Others may require even more powerful machines in the future. Science often advances step by step. Each experiment builds on previous knowledge, gradually expanding our understanding of reality. The Large Hadron Collider continues to operate with upgrades that increase its performance. Future improvements will allow higher energy collisions and more precise measurements. New experiments are being planned to explore uncharted areas of physics. At the same time, scientists are already discussing the possibility of even larger colliders in the future. These projects would extend the search for deeper understanding of the universe. The LHC is not the final step. It is part of an ongoing journey to explore the fundamental nature of existence. Deep underground, beyond everyday view, the Large Hadron Collider continues its work. It does not produce visible structures or immediate results. Instead, it generates knowledge. Through controlled collisions, precise measurements, and global collaboration, it allows humanity to look deeper into the building blocks of reality. What began as a question about matter has become one of the most ambitious scientific efforts ever undertaken. And while many answers have been found, the most important outcome may be this: there is still much more to discover.